Hello, in this video I'll show you a stylish, beautiful knit with two horizontal pads, one solid and the other open, that is perfect for summer. One loop and 4 rows make up the scheme. Let's start on the right side. Row 1 right side. Purl all stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. Row 2 wrong side, the repeat pattern is pull up along, loop 1 row down between the first 2 loops, and knit it. Slip 1 loop to the right hook without knitting. Pull up a loop 1 row down between the first 2 loops, and knit it. Slip 1 without knitting. Keep going in this manner to the end of the row. Row 3 right side, now the number of loops is doubled, and we will knit them together in pairs. We will add a yarn over loop to each stitch to form the long stitches in the open work part. At the beginning of the row, we make 1 stitch offset. Knit 1 stitch and make a yarn over. Knit the next stitches in pairs together through the back and make a yarn over loop. Again, knit 2 together, and make a yarn over. Knit 2 together, and make a yarn over. Keep going in this manner to the end of the row. At the end of the row, 1 loop remains, which we knit together with the edge loop. Row 4 wrong side. The repeat pattern is drop the yarn over loop, and knit 1. Again. Drop 1, and knit 1. Drop 1, and knit 1. Keep going in this manner to the end of the row. With these 4 rows, we have knitted a very simple open work stitch with a beautiful texture on both sides, making it very suitable for light airy summer clothes and accessories. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. Click the like button if you enjoy the video. Subscribe to the channel and notifications to watch all of my videos. I wish you inspiration. Knit joyfully and with affection. See you soon.